Hello, I'm Amber Johnson, your Cheyenne Homes for Heroes real estate specialist. Did you know that when you use a Homes for Heroes realtor when buying or selling a home, that you are actually helping other heroes across the nation? That's right, not only will you receive an average of $2,400, but I also donate a portion of my commission to the Homes for Heroes Foundation. Although not guaranteed, the foundation generally expects to award at least one hero grant in the amount of $5,000 every month. The foundation's mission is to serve heroes in dire need as it pertains to housing or emergency financial assistance. As a Homes for Heroes affiliate, I can nominate a deserving nonprofit here in Cheyenne to receive a hero grant from the Homes for Heroes Foundation. So who qualifies to be nominated to receive a grant? Well, nonprofits that are a 501c3 or 501c19 nonprofit organization. They have to have a mission or initiative to focus on housing or emergency financial assistance and allocate 100% of all the grant funds directly to heroes. So qualified nonprofits generally include those providing military or veteran assistance, serving disabled heroes, including home modifications, meeting the needs of fallen heroes, families offering housing or financial counseling, giving money to help with housing, giving money to help with financial emergencies. So these are all great opportunities for us to be able to nominate a nonprofit here in Cheyenne. In February, the grant awarded to the National Fraternal Order of Police Foundation Disaster Relief Fund and also the National Volunteer Fire Council Volunteer Firefighter Support Fund. So if you know of a nonprofit organization here in Cheyenne that you think would qualify for this great grant, please contact me. I would love to nominate them. You can always reach me at 307-640-4355 or go ahead and log on and head over to CheyenneHeroes.com. Thank you very much.